I'm here today with a DIY recipe called Enhanced Client Search. I'm going to give you some step-by-step instructions to build what is pretty much a more powerful version of the filter functionality that we have in Client Search right now. And this, because it's done through DIY reporting, is a great way to report on custom fields at your center. Let's get started. So here we are on the homepage of class, and to get to DIY reports, you go to Reports and Accountability on the left, you click on Reports, and then I find the easiest way in display name is just to search DIY. We're going to be using DIY Service Client to make the enhanced client search.
So at this point, I'm just going to jump in and interrupt Harry and remind you, once you've got your template up, like you have here, it's good practice to first save your report and rename it to what you want it to be. It's a good idea to remember that you should have a good naming convention so you can easily find your reports afterwards. Once you save it, then off you go, edit away, and you'll just be able to save over the top of your own report. And that is the safest way to go ahead.
So once we get in here, we're going to leave all the date fields on the left blank and head straight over to Customize in the top right. We're going to hit Customize Columns to bring up the field list. And we're going to make it a little bigger so we can see what we're doing. Now this is a client search, so I'm going to start off with Client ID. From there, I'm also going to add first name and last name. And after that, just because we can, with the new geolocation update, I can also add the name of the LGA they come from. And just to show off DIY reports a little bit, I'm also going to add in a custom field that we have at our test center here at NACLAC, their favorite color. Now, of course, this can be any custom field that you have at your center. Now we can choose what dates to report on. Because this is just some dummy data, I'm going to select the week after next. Of course, in any real center, you wouldn't have anything there. Another thing you can do in DIYs is change the reporting date. So I'm going to say, I want clients who had a service that opened between the start date and the end date. I'm going to select all funding categories. And of course, I have to click Include Custom Fields if we want reporting on that favorite color custom field. And then I'm going to click Load Report. And as you can see, a little class team pops up. Here we can see not only their first and last names, client IDs, and their LGA names, but also their favorite colors. Let's filter this list a little more. I'm going to head up to Customize Columns again, open up the field list, and drag the gender field into the Filter Fields section up the top. This is going to let me filter my results down by gender. I'm going to hit the little filter icon, and for argument's sake, let's say female. There we go. Only 2 people left. I want to filter it down even more. I'm going to go to the favorite color field, the custom field over here, and hit the filter icon. Let's say I only want people whose favorite color is gray. So I'm going to deselect blue, red, and yellow, and only leave gray. Now, as you can see, the only person left is Fran. But say I want to do something with this information. It'll take me a little bit too long to search by client ID or name to find her contact details. So if I want to call her right now, I can scroll down the list to find mobile and drag that in. And there we go. Just like that, it populates from the data and you can call your client.
And again, I just want to quickly interrupt Harry that once you've completed what you're doing and you have everything in order, it's always a good thing to remind yourself that you need to save it. So go up to the Save As and overwrite or create a new file, and remember your naming convention so you can easily find those files. It won't take long till you have a rather large list.
The Enhanced Client Search offers you a powerful, flexible way to search for and filter down clients. See you next time.